My name's David. I am a mechanical engineering student here at UIC, and I'm one of the instructors for the mechanical and industrial portion of this camp.
My name's Amy. I am a recent graduate from the mechanical engineering department master's program, and I was also an instructor for the mechanical engineering portion.
Hi, my name's Nick, and I am a PhD student in Civil and Materials Engineering. I was one of the instructors for the Women in Engineering Summer Program for the Civil and Materials Engineering portion.
The objective of the mechanical and industrial engineering portion of this summer program was to immerse the girls in the engineering environment we have at UIC and expose them to what our department has to offer through engaging and fun activities.
The objective of the Civil Material Engineering portion of the Women in Engineering Summer Program was to expose the students to different aspects, the flavor and spice of civil engineering, to really hopefully give them an idea of the breadth and width of different topics and niches that they could delve into if they choose to get into the program.
The Women in Engineering Summer Program participants were awesome, to say the least. We had a lot of fun with a lot of different projects. Some of them were successful, some of them not so much, but that's engineering, and that's what we tried to teach them. I had a lot of fun working with these girls. Not only did we try to challenge them, but they also challenged us and we had to try to make our projects better and more interesting for them. So that was a lot of fun, and again, it's an awesome group, and hopefully I'll get a chance to do it again next summer.
So my favorite part of the whole program was engaging with the students and being able to introduce them to topics that they may not have heard of or been familiar with in goofy, engaging, and educational ways. So that would be through our projects, not only that we did in Civil and Materials Engineering, but our combined projects between the two departments, as well as some of the field trips that we took.
I'm Stephanie Bujar. I go to Morris High School. One of the things that I liked about this program was the field trips. We went to the plant Chicago and we learned about aquaponics, and it really helped determine my career into engineering, which I decided to be an environmental engineer. I would recommend this program to other people as well because it helps you a lot with determining what you want to be, or just to see what engineering is really like. You also meet new people and instructors, and you get like a lot of social skills from it as well.
I'm Emma. I'm a senior at Walter Payton. The most fun thing we did was making our own self-balancing robot. It was pretty challenging, but it was kind of fulfilling to have it actually work at the end. The program helped me to kind of learn more about different types of engineering and different career paths for engineers, which is cool.
I'm Gerline. I go to Wheeling High School. I'm going to be a senior this year. And I chose to come to the Women in Engineering Summer Program because although I have a general sense of what engineering is, I don't really know what I can do with it or what any of the specific majors entail. And so by coming to the Women in Engineering Summer Program, I got to delve into both civil and mechanical and industrial engineering. And so it really provides a deep insight into what the field has to offer. I would recommend this to all high school junior and senior girls to really take advantage of this. It has a lot to offer, it's free, and you make a lot of good connections with the girls here, and you also get to visit professional companies and start building your network there as well.